everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create floral nail art using normal nail paints at home. Use pink nail paint to put 5 dots for big flower and 3 for small one. After that, add white dot in the middle. While flowers dry for 3 to 5 seconds, you can add leaves. Use the tip of the toothpick to create leaves as shown. After that, take a toothpick to merge white and pink nail paint in the flower. This creates rose or carnations-like pattern. Take pink nail paint in the toothpick and add it to the center of the flower. Let's repeat same steps for ring finger. We will create big flower with 5 pink dots and white in middle. While it dries partially, let's paint the leaves. Finally, we'll merge white and pink paints in the flower. Layer it with pink and white again using toothpick to achieve the desired result. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe to get more tutorials like this.